Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Paradise Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you all exclusive geometrical prints, floral prints on tussar. Today without zari border, on demand. I'll show only without zari border tussar. It's all pure tussar. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever you upload the videos, you will get the notification. And we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's the heart of the city. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. Our shop number is 102. It's a Globe Mall. So let's display the sari. So this is the sari number 1. As you can see, it's a combination of navy blue, and just see the pallu. There is a gun spray shaded. It's a combination of parrot green, froza and navy blue. So this will come on the pallu, and this is the border. So it's a geometrical border. It's a gray color on froza, and the body color is full. The background color is a navy blue, and top of it we have done the discharge print. It's a light froza color. So this is the all over sari like this. So how it will come, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the pallu and border. I'll show you the closer view. So just see the border of the sari, and this is the all over, and see the pallu. So this is a very nice color combination, froza and blue. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the look of the sari. Just have a look. This is a very pretty one, and this is a pallu, and there is a blouse. So it's the froza color blouse with border is there. So this is the blouse of the sari. So this is the sari number 2. It's a combination of red, yellow and black. It's the all-time hit combination. So as you can see, the both side border we have done a block print. It's a floral jal, as you can see. So this is the all over body. It's a Ganga Jamna border. It's a yellow and red. So how it will look. So as you can see, there is a box design on the pallu, and this is the all over look. Just see the design. This is a very pretty. It's a kalamkari sort of a block. It's a block print, and the body. So this is the all over look of the sari. How it will look, I'll just show. So this is the all over look. This is a very classy sari. Yellow, black and red. It's an all-time hit combination, and it's a very designer concept. And there is a blouse. So this is the blouse, and border is there. This is the size number 3. It's a combination of pesta green, the body color, and just see the pallu. There is a stripe on the pallu, and block is there, and this is a half and half portion. How it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari. Just show you the closer view of this print. So this will come to the pallu, and on pleats, again the same design which is on the pallu. The same design will come to the pleats also. So this is the pallu pleats portion. So this will come to the pleats. How it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pleats. This design will come to the pleats. This is the sari number 4, and just see the color combination. It's a light, it's a cream color, and the base color is a chocolate. It's a light chocolate, and the top of it, this is a block print. As you can see, the color combination. It's a peach and black outline. So throughout the sari, it will come like this. Just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over print. It's a very sober and very classy sari. I'll just show you the closer view. So this is the pejle design. It's like kalamkari. So this is throughout the sari the same design. Just see the pallu. This is the all over look of the sari. It's a very classy and very sober, very ethnic. So this is the all over look of the sari. and the blouse is there. So this is the blouse of the sari. So this is the sari number 5. It's a deep navy blue color, and this is the birds painting, bird sitting on the tree. This will come to the from pallu to till shoulder, and this will come to the skirt. I've done this design in so many colors. This time on deep navy blue color. Just have a look. This is awesome. The color combination, design, everything so nice. I'll just show you the closer view of this painting. It's the combination of orange, yellow, rani, white, froza, green. So many colors are there. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the look of the sari. Just like this is the pallu. It's amazing color combination, design, and there is a blouse with borders there. So this is only a black and off-white combination. As you can see the pallu, there is a hand painting, and this will come to the skirt. It's again the same birds sitting on the tree. This is the upper design will come. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this will come to the shoulder. How it will look. So please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever we upload the videos, you will get the notification. Just have a look. Just see the prints on the skirt and pallu, and this is the upper. So this is the all over look of the sari and pallu there, and the blouse. So this is the blouse and border is there. So this is the combination of it's a deep turquoise or froza color, black and off-white. So on the pallu, it's an arrangement. So how it will look, this will come to the skirt. Again the same birds, it's a flying bird. So just see the pallu of the sari. So this is the pallu, and this is the skirt part. So COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states, you have to drop money through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or direct bank transfer. We accept. So this is the look of the sari. This is the pallu, and this is amazing color combination. Everything so nice. So this is the pallu of the sari. This will come to the skirt. This is the all over design, and the blouse. So this is the blouse and border is there. Now again the birds, the same design in different combination. So this is a sea green. It's a light sea green, and only black we have used on this. So this is looking very attractive. So just see the pallu of the sari. Again the same type on shoulder. This design will come. So if any customization, so that can be done on order. Like this sari, if you like any other color, so that can be done on order also. If you like the design and want to change the color combination, so that can be done on order. So this is the no extra charges for any customization. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the all over look. Just show you the closer view of this painting, and this will come to the skirt. So this is the all over look of the sari, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. One more, it's same birds, flying birds all over the body, and this is the tree design on the pallu. It's a hand painting. So this will come to the pallu, and this will come to the skirt. Amazing sari, amazing color combination and design. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the skirt design. Just have a look. So this is the all over look of the sari. This is the all over look. Pallu. And there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari with borders there. This is the geometrical pattern. As you can see, it's a combination of red and orange and both side border, and just see the body. It's a zigzag line. It's a discharge print. Just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. This is the all over look of the sari. So this is the all over look of the sari. Amazing color combination, and sir, these are all classy sari. This is all classy. You can wear anytime. These are all classy sari, and the blouse. Just see the blouse. The blouse is fully printed with borders there. So this is the blouse of the sari. This is the last sari of this episode. So it's a combination of grey and black. As you can see, the pallu border will be grey and the base color is a black. And there is the floral print. It's a combination of red, rani and orange only. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the color combination I will show you. Just see the floral print. And the interesting part of the sari is the blouse is fully printed. So this is a multicolor booty all over blouse printed. How it will look, I'll just show. This is very pretty, and this design I keep experimenting different combination. So this time on black and grey. Amazing sari. Just see the color combination, design and pallu, and the blouse is there. So this is the blouse of the sari. Thank you so much for watching and joining, and we need your support. And COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay or Phone Pay. And we are located in Globe Mall shop number 102. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. Thank you so much, and keep share the video.